Where to find the best sites. Food and health benefits. Howdy. The best internet resources about how to make a microwavable pillow with flax seeds. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to make a microwavable pillow with flax seeds is tipnut.com. See the page titled How to Make a Microwave Heating Bag, tipnut.com. This is the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page How to Make a Flaxseed Heat Therapy Pillow, YouTube. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.anoregoncottage.com. The web page, and why, to make the best flaxseed pillows, in Oregon. This is the link.